Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by gathering essentials, your phone model, OS version, and carrier account info so you can apply the right controls. First, enable Do Not Disturb or silence unknown callers in your phone settings to immediately cut interruptions. Next, register your number on the National Do Not Call list. That reduces telemarketing legally. Once done, make sure you've noted the registration date and watch for reduced calls over the next 31 days as the list takes effect. Once you've completed the basics, move to carrier and phone-level defenses. Call your carrier or use their app to activate network spam blocking and filtering. Carriers catch spoof numbers more effectively. On your phone, turn on built-in filtering. iOS silence unknown callers or Android's spam protection because these intercept suspicious calls before they ring. Then install one reputable third-party call blocker that updates its spam database frequently. Make sure you grant permissions and test by calling from a second device to confirm filtering works. To finish, actively block persistent numbers and report them to your carrier and the National Registry so they can take action. Keep your phone's OS and call blocking apps updated and periodically review your blocked list to allow legitimate contacts back. If spam calls continue, document timestamps and call details, then contact carrier support for escalation. They can trace or apply stricter filters. One key troubleshooting tip: if calls bypass filters, temporarily enable Do Not Disturb for all but contacts and monitor whether the problem stops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.